Did you know that China has over 1.87 million registered drones? That's not just a statistic, rather, it's a revolution in the making. Because in China, if you are hungry, a delivery rider doesn't drive through traffic. Instead, a drone zips through the city skies, delivering your steaming hot dumplings in record time. But drones in China don't just stop at food delivery. In emergencies, these drones become lifesavers. They reach stranded people in the mountains, flooded zones, and disaster-stricken areas where traditional rescue teams might struggle. Such rescue drones are usually equipped with advanced cameras, medical kits, and even mechanisms to carry individuals to safety. Out in the fields, China's drones also live the farmer's life. They are helping in farming by spraying pesticides over vast acres and monitoring crop health. Construction sites are no exception for these drones. Massive drones are transporting bricks, steel beams, and other materials directly to towering buildings. They cut down on manual labor and time like never before. Even power lines are getting the drone treatment. These drones use de-icing sticks to clear snow and debris, while some release controlled flames to burn away dangerous obstructions. If that's not impressive enough, there are drones in China capable of carrying a full motorbike. Drones seamlessly deliver vehicles to remote locations where traditional transport simply cannot reach. Even firefighting drones take the spotlight in urban areas. They fight flames in high-rise buildings with foam and precision, all while keeping human firefighters out of harm's way. And if one drone falters, another is ready to swoop in and rescue it mid-air. This shows a level of innovation and teamwork that is truly inspiring. Drones are even aiding in the fight against climate change. They can now deliver solar panels to rural areas. So, clean energy is accessible in the most remote corners. From food deliveries to life-saving missions, China's drones are beyond being just flying machines. They are symbols of a future that's already here. So, what do you think? Can the rest of the world keep up with this wave of innovation? Or is China already living in 2050? Let us know in the comments and share this with someone who needs to see how drones are reshaping our planet.